Online feedback, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to discuss a very relevant topic in the digital age, online feedback. This concept is crucial in various settings, from education to professional environments. Understanding it will not only enhance your communication skills but also help you navigate the online world more effectively. Online feedback refers to the comments, critiques, or evaluations provided through digital platforms. Unlike traditional face-to-face feedback, online feedback is delivered via the internet. This can include emails, messages on social platforms, comments on work or school assignments, and even reviews on products or services. The key feature of online feedback is its digital format, making it accessible anytime and anywhere. Online feedback can be formal or informal. Formal feedback is structured and often occurs in educational or professional settings. It includes detailed assessments, performance reviews, or academic grading. Informal feedback, on the other hand, might come from peers, social media interactions, or casual conversations in online forums. Recognizing the type of feedback helps in understanding its purpose and how to respond to it. Online feedback plays a crucial role in learning and development. For learners, it provides insights into their progress and areas for improvement. In professional contexts, it helps in enhancing work quality and efficiency. Feedback also fosters a culture of open communication and continuous improvement in various online communities. Receiving feedback online can sometimes be challenging, especially when it's critical. It's important to approach it with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Always read feedback carefully. Try to understand the perspective of the person providing it, and use it constructively to improve. Remember, not all online feedback may be useful or accurate, so it's important to discern and take what's beneficial. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding what online feedback is and why it's important. Remember, the digital world is vast, and online feedback is a key part of navigating it successfully. Whether you're learning a new language or working online, embracing feedback can significantly enhance your growth and learning journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.